So this is great news. The rumors have been spinning and spilling out for the Z Fold 7. And to be honest, with the Z Fold 7 not being really that great of a phone, just being the Z Fold Special Edition, there hasn't been positive rumors, okay? There really hasn't been. But this is one of the good rumors. So the rumor was the Z Fold 7 would have a watered-down Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It was going to have a little bit less performance cores, so it's going to be watered down. This way, Samsung can produce more of these and get them out, a lot easier, right? A lot cheaper, a lot easier, more profits for Samsung. Really, it's not getting passed down to consumers, so that doesn't really matter. But for the most part, for Samsung, they're taking the W. Well, it looks like that might not be the case anymore. According to the most recent rumor and leak, it seems like we are going to be getting the 8 Elite processor fully, no watered down version with the brand new Z Fold 7. Now, does this make the Z Fold 7 a phone you should pick up? No, not at all. It's still going to be the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, and that's pretty much that. But it does mean that this is a really good rumors for the Z Fold 8, because that means Z Fold 8 will also most likely not have a watered down processor, which is awesome. And if you want to pick up another Z Fold series phone, you should probably either wait for the Z Fold 8 or pick up the Z Fold 6 once the price tag drops and plummets once the Z Fold 7 comes out. It's really the best time. Honestly, not even when it comes out. If you really want to take advantage of it, but like right before the Z Fold 7 comes out, when the pre-orders come out, that's when you buy a new phone. Buy the new phone once the pre-orders hit, because people are going to be selling their phones, trying to get rid of them, and that's when the market gets flooded with these cell phones on eBay and other secondhand websites, and you're able to really just, buy them for very, very cheap. So if you want to get a phone for cheap, wait for pre-orders to hit, and you just take advantage of that situation. But at least something good is coming out here. We're also getting One UI 8 out of the box, which is also cool. It's a 7-core version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Does exist for affordable phones. You can imagine why the rumor made sense. Yeah, obviously for the watered-down processor. But yeah, so shout out to Samsung Mobile as always for posting this, and hopefully we get more positive rumors for the Z Fold 7. Because, again, even though, no, you should not pick it up, you should not buy it, you should avoid it like the plague, there is still going to be a market of people who pick this phone up. And I feel like it's really for people who maybe have a Z Fold 3 or a Z Fold 4, and they want to get the latest and greatest Z Fold series phone. I would wait, but some people don't like to wait. And if you don't like to wait, then you're going to get the second greatest Z Fold series in 2 years. It is what it is. Peace out.